run basically, yeah, half blind there.
Yeah.
And then we'll have a little bit of an angle in the front and then all the way back down. And then we can have the car here.
Cool. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can relate one with that. When you look in the back of it, 3 or whatever, I was thinking it's probably going to be a
Wasn't perfect, but that was not bad. That's as good as I remember now. Well, that's that over.
oh well,
That was a good shot.
the universe is young cut.
Alright.
Yeah.
probably 2 work today if you wanted to. But then 2 gears like yesterday, because like my car's making really funny sounds, so I want to try and get it booked in for a service tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, it's a double yoker.